Hey gearheads and adrenaline junkies. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're getting down and dirty with the machine built for pure, unadulterated motocross madness, the all-new 2024 Kawasaki KX450. This isn't your average weekend ride. This is a championship contender, completely revamped from the ground up. So, buckle up, because we're about to take a deep dive into the KX450's revolutionary features. Engine, power redefined. Let's start with the heart of the beast, the engine. Kawasaki completely tossed out the old blueprint and built a whole new powerhouse. We're talking a new layout, with the center exhaust port for improved efficiency. They've also tweaked the camshafts, crankweight, and even the connecting rod for a smoother, more linear power delivery. Remember those bursts of aggression followed by a drop-off in the old KX? Gone. This 2024 model delivers a surge of power that's both controllable and exhilarating. Think of it as a symphony of acceleration, not a jolting rock concert. Suspension, plus performance. Now, imagine carving through corners and tackling jumps with confidence. That's exactly what the KX450's suspension is all about. Completely redesigned, it soaks up bumps like a champ, keeping you glued to the track and in total control. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a weekend warrior, this suspension inspires confidence and lets you push your limits. Braking, confidence at your fingertips. Speaking of control, let's talk about stopping power. Kawasaki ditched the old brakes and slapped on a brand new Brembo front brake system. This translates to sharper, more responsive braking that lets you shave milliseconds off your lap times and land those jumps with pinpoint precision. Tech-savvy, Ridgeology takes control. But the KX450 isn't just about brute force. It also boasts some serious brains. Kawasaki's new Ridgeology app lets you connect your smartphone to the bike via Bluetooth. This opens up a world of possibilities, from adjusting engine settings to monitoring performance data. Design, form follows function. Now, let's not forget aesthetics. The 2024 KX450 isn't just a beast, it's a head-turner. The sleek, aggressive bodywork screams performance, and the new airbox design ensures optimal airflow to that fire-breathing engine. Unique selling points. So, what sets the KX450 apart from the pack? It's the perfect blend of raw power, rider-friendly features, and cutting-edge technology. It's a bike that can adapt to your riding style, whether you're a seasoned competitor or a weekend thrill-seeker. Conclusion. Action montage of the KX450 in motion. The 2024 Kawasaki KX450 is more than just a dirt bike, it's an experience. It's a machine that pushes boundaries, inspires confidence, and lets you unleash your inner champion. So, if you're looking for a motocross bike that's as thrilling as it is refined, the KX450 might just be your perfect match. Call to action. Thanks for joining us on this ride. Leave a comment below and let us know what you think of the 2024 Kawasaki KX450. And if you're looking for more info or want to see it in action, be sure to check out the links in the description below. Until next time, keep it throttled up.